Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. I hope that all of you are doing well. May Allah keep you and your loved ones safe. My name is Kiran Fida, and today in the Prophet series we are going to talk about Hazrat Saleeh. And today I will tell you the story of Hazrat Saleeh. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it with your loved ones. Hazrat Saleeh's relation was with the famous tribe of Samud in Arabia. The sound of Qawm Samud came from those people of Qawm Ad who had faith in Hazrat Hud and whom Allah saved from the torment of storm. Qawm Samud was a tribe of Qawm Ad. Allah had given this tribe a lot of talents. They used to dig up mountains and build magnificent palaces. Allah had given them the best of blessings like animals, sons, gardens, and a lot more. Qawm Samud also didn't thank Allah for these blessings, and instead of worshipping Allah, they made their way to Kufr and Shirk and started to be proud of their strength. Allah sent Hazrat Saleeh as a messenger to show the straight path to Qawm Samud. He advised people to worship Allah and to thank Him for His blessings. And he also told them not to do shirk and worship idols. Qawm Samud opposed Hazrat Saleeh and refused to accept the invitation of Tawheed. These people started to raise various objections against the Prophet. The Kafir leader of the tribe misguided his people, and he led the poor people of Iman away from the straight path. Qawm Samud asked Hazrat Saleeh a strange and a poor question, and he said, "If you are the true messenger of Allah, then bring a sign." His question was that a living camel should come out of the mountain in front of their eyes and give birth to a baby camel. Then they sent Hazrat Saleeh to ask this for Allah. Qawm Samud said, "If you are the true messenger of Allah, then bring this sign." Hazrat Saleeh prayed from Allah, and Allah gave him this miracle. A camel was born from the mountain. Qawm Samud called it the camel of Allah. This camel was sent to them as a test. He asked if they would believe after seeing such a great miracle. Even after seeing the miracle, the community refused to accept Iman, and only a few people took Iman on Hazrat Saleeh. Hazrat Saleeh warned the community that this is a camel of Allah. You people do not harm it. If you harm this camel, then you will be punished by Allah. Hazrat Saleeh advised his community and said, "O my community, you should worship Allah. There is no one other than Allah." Hazrat Saleeh said, "Surely the clear evidence that you have received from your Lord is the camel of Allah. It is the symbol for you, so leave it so that it can wander in the land of Allah, and take it. Do not touch it with the intention of doing evil, otherwise you will be caught in painful torment. And you remember when He gave the life after the people, He sent azab, and He gave you a place in the land. You make palaces in the soft part of this land, and you make houses by digging the mountains. You remember the blessings of Allah. Do not wander in the land of corruption. There was a well for the community to get water, from where everyone used to drink water. Hazrat Saleeh decided the days to drink water between the community and Allah's camel. The Prophet said that one day the community and their animals will drink, and one day Allah's camel will drink water. The people of community tolerated Allah's camel for a few days, but then these disbelievers advised each other to kill it. Then one of them, a very bad man, cut the legs of camel. The camel fell on the ground screaming and died. The camel's child was scared to see this scene and ran up the mountains. Then he disappeared in the mountains screaming. Hazrat Saleeh said to the community that you have 3 days left. You do what you want, then Allah's torment will surround you. 3 days later, Allah's torment came. Then a very loud voice and an earthquake came, which destroyed all the disbelievers. These people who were proud of their strength, they died helplessly in their homes. Allah Almighty has said about the condition of this nation in Quran. Then the earthquake caught these people, so they were lying naked in their homes. Then the Prophet turned his face away from the people and said, O my nation, I had given you the message of my Lord, and I had bestowed on you. But you did not like the best of the best, the beautiful home of the community of Samud, and the magnificent palace on which they were very proud from the torment of Allah Almighty was ruined and destroyed, became as if there is no one in them. These ruins are still present today and are a sign of ibrat for people. To hear more such stories, subscribe to our channel. I hope you like this story. Thank you and have a nice day.